Stop me if you heard this before. Buy Bitcoin, hold it, get rich. It sounds simple, right? It's the dream that sells millions of tickets to this space. But let's be brutally honest for a second. If your strategy is just to buy a coin and stare at it, praying it goes to the moon, you're not an investor, you're a gambler, and the house always wins. Welcome back. Today we are ripping up the rule book on what you think a crypto portfolio is. A crypto portfolio is not just a wallet with some Bitcoin in it. It's your financial engine. It's your business. And right now, most beginners are treating it like a lottery ticket. You think holding one coin is enough? It isn't. To survive and win in this market, you need a system. You need to manage your money like a pro. So forget the hype. Let's talk about the reality of the 11 commandments of portfolio management. First, you need to know who you are, because your strategy dictates your success. Number one, day traders, you buy and sell in the same day. You are fast, agile, and glued to the charts. Number two, swing traders, you hold for days or weeks. You ride the waves, not the ripples. Number three, position traders, you are the long hold tracker. You hold for months, ignoring the noise, betting on the big picture. Number four, scalp traders, you are the elite special forces. You trade in minutes based on micro movements. Don't try this at home unless you know what you're doing. Now that we have that sorted, here's the game plan to have your portfolio green instead of it being red. Rule number one, know your risk appetite. The question is, are you a high-risk daredevil or a low-risk saver? Be honest. Don't trade your rent money. That is rule zero. Rule number two, do your own research. You wouldn't marry someone without meeting them, right? So here's the thing. Don't buy a coin without reading the white paper. Be smarter than the hype. Rule number three, kill your emotions. Fear and greed are the enemies of profit. Don't FOMO into a scam, and don't panic sell the dip. Play chess and not checkers. Rule number four, diversify. Don't put all your eggs in one basket. Bitcoin is great, but if you only own Bitcoin, you are a one-trick pony. Spread the love and the risk. Rule number five, budget allocation. Only invest what you can manage to lose. Period. If the market crashes, you need to be able to sleep at night. Rule number six, dollar cost average. Stop trying to time the bottom. Invest a little bit the whole week instead of dumping your whole bag at once. It's the slow and steady way to win the race. Rule number seven, track the market. Don't watch your phone every 2 minutes, but don't be blind. Watch the trends and the live charts. Rule number eight, stay informed. News drives this market. If you aren't reading crypto news, you're trading blind. Rule number nine, use stop losses. The little button is your safety net. It protects you from the big red candles. Use it. Rule number 10, track your profits. Are you actually winning? Use apps like coinstats or coinmarketcap to track your performance. You can't improve what you can't measure. And rule number 11, have an exit plan. This is the one that almost everyone misses. It's easier to buy than to sell. Profit is not real until you're able to take it. I have a target, hit it, and cash out. Listen, this isn't just about knowing to buy and sell. It's about having the discipline to survive. Now, here are my final tips for you. Find the right exchange, which offers low fees and high security. Then number two, decide who you are. Are you a day trader or a holder? Let your time and lifestyle decide. Then number three, stay on top of the game. Join the communities, read the newsletters. The network is your net worth. Then number four, start small. You don't have to invest a fortune to get a fortune. Listen, trading is a skill and not lottery. Be rational, be patient, and don't let your greed ruin your clarity. You want to know the difference between the beginner and the pro? It's not luck, but management. If you found this useful, don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe to the channel. Disclaimer, this content is just for educational and informational purposes and does not constitute financial advice. All investment strategies and investments involve risk of loss. Always conduct your own research.